for life. Now the injector should pulse. See? Now the injector's pulsing. Hold up. Here's what happens when you wire up some shit backwards on your battery. That fuse should have blown, but it didn't. So everything's still swapped. Swapped out that ECU. Pop this one in. Watch this shit. Fuel pump will kick on. Light smoked. And let's kick his injector. And this is how he filled his motor up with fucking fuel. That's fucked. But if I put the other one on, the thing's still hot. No light. No injector spraying. No fuel pump kicking until I tap. And now we're spraying fuel. That easy, boys.